Hi, good day, everybody. Okay, what do we got here now? Something else. This is also based on ESP Now, which is peer-to-peer. Okay, so I plugged the servo and on a ESP32-C3. Now, this is a C3 model. So when we move the MPU, you can see that the peer-to-peer is helping to move the servo arm. And this is using an MPU 6050. Okay, so I set it up to move like this, so it's much easier. So I can move 180 degrees. Okay, now it's 90 degrees. Okay, right balance 90 degrees, and and then all the way through 180 degrees. I suppose you could do with some of these, they call it it's a GS90 servo, can go up to 360 degree angle. This is I set it up for 180. I think it's 180 degree. As you can 90 degree, and then another 90 makes 180 degree. Okay. So the distance can be. I mean, obviously I don't have a battery to move around, but can go far away. These things can go up to over 100 meters. So I've tried to use pin 4, but I had a power problem. It kept on switching on and off the port. So I moved it in 5 and I had the same problem. So I moved it to GPIO1 and it works perfectly. It's got no power issue for the moment. Seems to work fine. Right. Now let's see the code. The code is a bit of a nightmare. So you can see the receiver, this is the sender. So the sender, it's the MPU, is sending the information, the MPU, obviously sending the information that can be addressed to the receiver. Okay, I've used for the ESP, I don't know which model you got, but on my one, I could use the 2021 for the SDA and SCL, but I found that the 2021 didn't recognize it. It didn't work well in this case. It worked well on the previous project. So in this case, I've used again the number 6 and 7, which seems to go across, no problem. So the problem with the ESP, sometimes pins don't work properly, particularly when they have to travel peer-to-peer. So some, as I said, the same problem was with the pin number 4, which I had an electrical issue with the servo, and I put it on pin number GPIO number 1, and it works perfectly. Okay, so this other one is the receiver. Okay, so there again, the receiver. I will post the code on the website on GitHub, And you can see here I put my servo attached to 1. So the GPIO1 works perfectly. And there is just want to show something. Okay, add 4. I'm gonna add a window capture. I just want to show you. I don't think I can get it, no. I just wanted to see the let's have a look if it works. Might not work. Doesn't seem to like picture. Okay. Photo. No, why doesn't take photo window capture? That's interesting. Matched up. Yeah, for some reason, this program that I've got, it doesn't like photos. But in any case, let's go back to the problem. I wanted to show you the pin out of the ESP. It's a ESP-32 S kit. But yeah, okay. So yeah, this is an interesting project because from this point, now we've done the button with the LED and we've done the weather station. Now what I want to do next perhaps is try, instead of using the MPU, I will try with the same system, but I will try with a potentiometer to adjust left and right 180 degrees, and then I'm going to try with the joystick from distance. So let me know what you think, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. But the code will be posted online. Thank you very much. You guys have a good day. Thank you. Bye.